how to level up your mirror selfies for iPhone 16 editions. First, let's go back to your home screen and then tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on camera. Next, in camera, scroll down and then from here, tap on mirror front camera. Tap on the toggle button if you want to mirror your picture. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now launch the camera and then switch to the front camera and start to take a selfie. You should see your selfie will mirror how you see them in the camera. So if I switch it off, you can see my image will be saved in reverse. That is when you turn on mirror selfie, and this is when it is off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.